starting motion, we will have a very beautiful quotation. You only fail when you stop trying. Friends, here two most important words, fail and stop comes. Friends, suppose you have any goal, and if you want to achieve this goal, then you have to continuously work. If you stop yourself, then you will definitely get failure. If you never stop, then you will definitely get what you want to get. Friends, goal will also say, if you stop, then you cannot achieve me. So never stop yourself. Friends, here we are going with the topic motion. First question arises, what is motion? Friends, motion is anything when suppose we have any body X, and this is continuously changing its position from here to here. Okay, how can we say that this is changing its position? We can say by comparing this body with this pole. Suppose we have any electricity pole, and this is reference point for this X body. Suppose this body X is changing its position continuously and going far from this electricity pole, then the body X will be set in motion with reference to this electricity pole. Friends, now another question arises, what are the types of motion? Basically, motion can be classified in rectilinear, circular, rotational, or periodic. Friends, there are four types: rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion, and periodic motion. We will discuss one by one. Firstly, we will consider what is rectilinear motion. Friends, suppose here you stands. What is your name? Suppose your name is Sumit. Here Sumit stands and he is following this path, and this path is straight. Then the path followed by this boy Sumit will be known as straight path, and the motion will be known as straight motion or rectilinear motion or simply linear motion. Friends, now we come to the next type. What is next type? This is a circular motion. Question arises, what is circular motion? Circular motion is anything which happen in a circular path. Friends, suppose we have any watch. This is minute hand, and this is suppose this is minute hand and this is hour hand, and the path followed by this minute hand and this hour hand will be known as circular path, and the motion followed by the minute hand and hour hand will be known as circular motion. Friends, another type comes, what is rotational motion? Friends, anything which is rotated along its axis will be known as rotational motion. Suppose we have any football and this is rotating about this axis, then the motion followed by this football will be known as rotational motion. Friends, this is very important motion, friend. Try to understand it. Okay. Another or we can say that last but not the least, periodic motion. What is periodic motion? Periodic motion is the motion followed by, this is example, friend. Okay, followed by any pendulum. Suppose this is a pendulum and this is periodically traveling from here to here, then the motion will be known as periodic motion. Okay, so what are the examples of rectilinear motion? Suppose we have any athlete and the path followed by this athlete will be known as rectilinear motion if this athlete following straight path. Okay, and what is the example of circular motion? The path followed by minute hand and hour hand will be known as circular motion. The path followed by any rotational body or any suppose any we have any football and this is any axis, then this is y axis. Okay, So the path followed by this rotational body along the y-axis will be known as rotational motion, and the path followed by the pendulum, this is any pendulum, and the path followed by this pendulum will be known as periodic motion. Okay friends, from here this is all about motion, and